Hi trekkers, I'm Neha Priti from Trek the Himalayas. Today I'm going to talk about the complete trek guide of Gaumukh Tapovan trek. This video will cater as the complete source of this particular trek, and I believe that you don't have to look for any other video after watching this one. I'm going to cover the complete itinerary, what to pack, what kind of fitness you need to be on this trek, and any other information that you might need for this trek. Without further delay, let's start the video.
I'm already happy looking at that peak.
The Gaumukh Tapovan trek is tough but amazing high altitude adventure. It will take you to Gaumukh and even beyond to Tapovan, which is the base of Mount Shivling. From Tapovan itself, you'll get to see some incredible mountain peaks like Mount Shivling and 3 peaks of Bhagirathi. You'll also spot Mount Meru, which is one of the most challenging peaks to climb in the Himalayas. Gaumukh is where the river Ganga begins. It flows from the huge Gangotri glacier, which looks like a big rock. From beneath it, the strong river Bhagirathi flows beautifully. Gaumukh Tapovan trek is a must-do for 3 types of people. First one, it is for experienced trekkers who are looking for a real challenge. These trekkers have done many easy to moderate treks and now looking to challenge themselves. This trek is tough with long trails, steep climbs, rocky path and narrow routes. It's an adventure that will truly excite any trekking lover. Second, it is for those who want to feel the spiritual energy of this sacred place. Many believe that this trek offers a deep connection to nature and divinity. And finally, it's for people who simply want to witness the untouched beauty of these high Himalayas. The views along the way and at the final destination are pure, untouched and breathtaking. This is an 8-day trek that starts from Gangotri town in Uttarkashi and ends at beautiful Tapovan meadow. On the first day, you'll stay in Gangotri and get used to the altitude. You'll also visit nearby places and temple to prepare yourself for the trek. The trek covers around 40 kilometers with stops like Chirbasa and Bhojwasa before reaching the Gaumukh Tapovan. Chirbasa gets its name from many blue pine trees in that area. Chirbasa literally means abode of pines. As you trek from Chirbasa to Bhojwasa, you might spot blue sheep roaming around. They are very common here, so there are high chances that you spot them. Bhojwasa is named after birch trees, which in Hindi called as Bhojpatra. Pulling yourself across this stream is both thrilling and unforgettable. It will surely be one of the most exciting moments of your trek. The path from Gangotri to Chirbasa and Bhojwasa is moderate, but after Bhojwasa, as you enter day 5 and move towards Tapovan, the trail becomes tougher. The most difficult part is the final steep climb to Tapovan, where you will navigate a rugged mountain with boulders and loose rocks. But once you reach Tapovan meadow, the breathtaking views of Himalayas will make every bit of effort worth it. When you book your trek from Trek the Himalayas and choose a transportation option, we will pick you up from Dehradun at a set time and location. From there, it's a 9 to 10 hour drive covering across 250 km to reach Gangotri Dham. We'll stay in Gangotri for 2 days to get used to the altitude before starting the trek. If you prefer to reach Gangotri on your own, the nearest airport and railway station is in Dehradun. You can either book a cab or catch a bus from Mussoorie bus station to Uttarkashi. From Uttarkashi, Gangotri is about 100 kilometers away, which will take around 4 hours by road. Gomukh Tapovan is a difficult trek. So the very first thing that you need to carry on this trek is a good pair of trekking shoes. Along with it, you'll also need to have a proper clothing and essential gears like trekking pole and raincoat. Since the trek has a longer trail, so the sun rays will hit your face directly. Therefore, a good pair of sunglasses is a must on this trek. Along with good pair of sunglasses, it is recommended to carry a trekker cap for added protection. As this is a challenging trek, you need to have a good fitness routine before going on this trek. If you have a fitness routine, that's well and good, but if you have not, you can follow these fitness tips at least 3 months before going on a trek. Starting with walk, you need to make sure that you walk at least 5 kilometers in 30 minutes and 10 kilometers in 70 minutes without any stress. If cycling is what you like, you need to make sure that you cover a distance of 18 kilometers in 50 minutes. Along with that, 3 rounds of 100 stair climbing and 3 rounds of 50 mountain climbing exercises should be added to your fitness routine. Having said that, you should make sure that you are medically fit and do not have any chronic diseases like asthma and diabetes. So that's all about the Gomukh Tapovan trek. I hope you don't need to watch any other video after watching this one. But if you do, you can visit our website and go to the FAQ section where most of your questions are already answered. If you still have any doubts, feel free to comment down below or write to me at creator@trekthehimalayas.com. See you in the next video.